Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable fast user switching on Windows 11. Sometimes you may want to allow more than one user on your PC, and that's when you need the fast user switching feature on your Windows 11. To allow access to more users, you may need to sign out and back in frequently, and the switch user feature by Windows helps you change between users effortlessly. So in this video, I will show you two methods that allow you to enable and disable the fast user switching on Windows 11. So let's start with the first one. The first one you can do with your group policy editor. For that, you have to go to the start. From there, just search for GP edit. Here you will get the edit group policy. Just open it. Sometimes your Windows may not show the group policy editor. In that case, you have to install a local group policy editor. I have already done a video regarding that. I'll share the link in the I button. You can check it there. So once you are inside the group policy editor, just go to computer configuration, and from here just expand administrative templates. Now from here go to system. Now from here look for an option that is log on. You can see it here, log on. And on the right pane you have many settings from which you have to look for hide entry points for fast user switching. Just double click on it. So to enable the fast switching, you have to check not configured. Now if you want to turn off the fast user switching, then you have to select enable. So to enable the fast user switching, you have to select not configured and leave it like that, and click on apply and click on OK. Now you should be good to go. Now I'll show the second method. In the second method, you will be making the change from the registry file. For that, just go to the start. From here, just type in regedit. Open the registry editor. Now before making any changes with the registry editor, I would recommend you to export a copy of your registry. For that, you have to click on the file. From here, just select export, and here you can give a name. The date and time is the best way to identify it. I'm saving it. Now if something goes wrong with the registry, it's easy for you to import the file and restore the registry. So once that is done, just go to the HK local machine, just expand it. Now from there, go to the software and then go to Microsoft. Then from here, just go down and open Windows. As you can see, then just open Windows. I'll expand the window. Just open Windows. From here, go to the current version and then go to policies. Then go to system. I'll share this location in the description so that it's easy for you. And from here, what you have to do is you have to create an entry key here. For that, just right click on this right pane and then click on new and then select dword 32. Now you have to rename the value to hide fast user switching. Now double click on it, and here you can see that the value data is 0. And if you want to disable the fast user switching, then you have to leave the value as 0. Now if you want to enable the fast user switching, then change the value to 1 and then click on OK. And now you are good to go. Now after that, you have to restart your system and the system will enable the fast user switching. Now if you want to disable it again, just go here and then double click on it and open it and revert the value to 0. And in this way you can disable the fast user switching. Once you have done it, you have to restart your system. So this is how you can enable and disable the fast user switching on Windows 11. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.